how to use Google Fonts in Figma. To do this, we have to download the Windows version for Figma or for Mac, of course. But in order to use the Google Fonts, you need to have it installed on your computer instead of using it in the browser. So for example, I can just click on Windows Installer here in the Figma Downloads page. Just click on that and it will start downloading. And once you do that, you should go ahead and install it on your computer. And then you can go to Google Fonts. This is your page. And you can choose from all the different fonts available here. You can also search the fonts if you want a specific font. If you know the name of it, you can just type it in here. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's go with this first one called Roboto. It's 12 styles and it's made by Christian Robertson. So I'm just going to click on that. And now I can add it to my computer. I just have to click on Get Font from up here. And here I can just download all of them, all the available ones. And once I do that, it will download the TTF files for it. It's in a zipped file, but when I unzip it, I have to install the TTF files. And then when I open Figma on my computer, it will be available in the program. So that's how you use Google Fonts in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.